Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your controller is not working in EA Sports FC 26 on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several easy solutions you can try to get your gamepad working again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click EA Sports FC 26 and select Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Find the option Override for EA Sports FC 26 and select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same menu and this time select Disable Steam Input. Then, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Open Steam and click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Now, check only what applies to you. If you're using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. If you're using a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation configuration support. If it's not enabled, try enabling it. If it's enabled, try disabling it. Do the same if you have a Switch controller or a generic controller. If you use an Xbox controller, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver to improve compatibility. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Right-click it again, and select Enable Device. Now launch your game and test the controller. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish, then restart your game and check if the controller works. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your controller not working in EA Sports FC 26 on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.